Hello lovely people, it's your girl here, Shiro Kavito, Canada, and I'm here doing a nature walk, enjoying the view, enjoying the weather, and feels so good. And guys, I've made a new discovery. I didn't know that in my neighborhood there's a river, that gives a great sense of nature, and here it is. It gives a feeling of connecting with nature, and I'm so excited because it's a new discovery. I didn't know that we have a river with fresh waters. Remember, Canada is surrounded by so many lakes, and when you see something like this, you can only tell that nature is with us. It feels nice because, guys, on my previous nature video that I did back home at Isinya, we only had a seasonal river, but here this river is here all the time. It doesn't dry up. And when I was coming here, I noted some ducks, but at the moment I think they've gone. They did swim away. Wow. This is so nice, guys. A place you can come and find yourself, meditate. There's always some connection of water and trees and meditation. I don't know, is it all about me? But you guys can also confirm that. There's always something about nature connecting, especially when water is involved. You feel a real connection. You feel and for instance, in a case of losing somebody, whenever you come and sit by the waters, you make lots and lots of wishes. So guys, I'm happy. I've made a new discovery. Is it a river or a stream, or I'm not able to differentiate between a river and a stream. But I think a stream is smaller than a river, right, guys? Anywho, as long as there's water flowing, what do you call it? We all call it a river. And I've seen a lot of fruits here. I hope I don't bump into an animal. I'm scared of going down there. But I've seen fruits here. I don't know whether you can see them. Wild fruits. Wild, but I don't think they are edible. So guys, this place, you can see there's this a facilitation of the pavement. Now that I've gotten myself a stroller, whoa, I'm making new discoveries of places I can come and do a walk. Now that I got a stroller, I can do a walk and walk with my baby around. Just to, sometimes being indoors doesn't feel okay. So guys, I was talking of wild fruits here, and the last time I saw these fruits, I saw the squirrels feeding on them. They look nice. They are like berries, red berries, just that they are tiny. Guys, this is Canada. This is Canada. It's not like I'm trying to show you any other part. This is Canada. I didn't know there are places like this. I'm happy. I've made a discovery. Guys, this will be my new hideout. It's going to be my new hideout because I like connecting with nature. I really like connecting with nature. It gives me a sense of refreshment, yeah. And okay, so this place is well taken care of, yeah. I can see a bench over here, so that means there are people who visit this place. Oh, okay, nice. This is a bench, so that means this is a public place. It's a public space. And then there's somewhere you can do your garbage, your trash here, just to keep the environment clean. And then instructions all over, yeah. One thing I've noted with this place is instructions are all over. You see, you're told to put in your recycles on the blue bin, and then the other trash, yeah. Doggy poop. Yeah, if you're walking around with your pet, you know where to put in your trash, on the black bin. And then there's organics, food remains, plastics. We put them here. So guys, it's a nice discovery for me. I found my new hideouts and I'm happy because I'll be a frequent visitor of this place, yeah. Nice one. So meantime, in the meantime, let me follow the road and see where it leads me to. There was a river down there that I saw, and then I followed the opposite direction just to see where the road leads me to. So guys, let's get back to the river and see what's there for us. Maybe this time we'll find the ducks. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for coming along with me to discover new hideouts. Not really hideouts, but places to come in. Yeah, reconnect with nature. Yeah, when you feel like life is draining you away, or work, or you know, just a moment of refreshment. Okay, I found a park here. Guys, curiosity killed a cat, yeah? They say curiosity killed a cat. But I'm not scared to try. I'm not scared to try. I just hope I don't bump into something, especially a snake. Yeah? That is the worst animal that can scare me, can scare the hell out of me. So guys, here are the flowing waters. Whoa, very fresh. It reminds me of my home, yeah. Although the river is not close to us, but it has taken me back home. Finding life again. Oh, these are the things to live for, yeah. These are the moments and things to live for. Nice one, nice one. So when I get time, on days that I won't be working, yeah, I've already found my places to come and do nature walks, yeah. So guys, thank you for watching this video on my new, I've seen some instructions here, life-saving, yeah, equipment, emergency use only. Okay, for rescue assistance, to call 911. On point, and I know they're gonna respond. Yeah. Yeah, the berries. You can take a closer look. Yeah. No, these are wild berries. They're not edible. Don't eat them. Yeah, they're only for the squirrels. Yeah, for the wild animals. Okay, mommy. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Thank you guys. If you like nature, if you like finding yourself reconnected with nature, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, nice view, nice environment. And guys, thank you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe, guys. Ciao ciao, and I love you guys. Mwah.